Hi guys, we know how hard you've been working for your upcoming mock test, been putting forth your best effort. All we want to see, guys, is some growth. Do the best you can. We're proud of you.
Hey Princeton, you've been working hard all year. It's time for you to show up and show out. I need you to do your strategies and take your time. You've got this. Let's show them what you can do.
Hello, Princeton. As we talked earlier this week, growth is all a process. So all we're asking you to do is give it your best shot, and we can't wait to see where you do. Good luck.
Hey, Princeton. Renegade. Show what you know. Use your strategies and make us all proud, and not to mention make yourself proud.
You are braver than you believe. You are stronger than you seem.
You are smarter than you think.
And loved more than you know.
Give it your all. Remember your strategies. Open your mind. Work hard.
Take your time.
And have determination.
Hey guys, it's Miss Staggs.
And Miss Nut.
We just wanted to tell you guys, keep working hard. You've been doing an awesome job. Remember, it's not about just passing. It's also
About growing.
Good morning, future entrepreneurs, doctors, pediatricians, even professional basketball players, football players. Everyone that is here today, you guys, is going to be someone who's going to impact the future. We are here just to encourage you and let you know that you have everything that you need to be successful. Don't wait until the test. Let's start making those decisions to put our best foot forward right now in this very moment. Because it's not the test that defines us, but it does help to establish our path and our direction. So, go out there, show that test that, hey, you're smart and you got this. We believe in you.
Miss Lawson here,
Miss White.
and we just want to tell you good luck, good job, do your best, and don't go backwards, show growth.